Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Tesla just added back the rear-wheel drive Model Y, and I'll talk about the clean vehicle rebate and also the new program that they're starting in January 2024 about the 7500 tax credit, and also Kia and Hyundai, they recently joined the using Tesla supercharger. Okay, so first off, here we see that we're at the Tesla homepage, and we here it says Model Y starting at 32,000. You know, after all the federal and tax incentive. But we're gonna do the actual one, and we're gonna see it. So we click on the order now, and off the back you're gonna see purchase price here. This is the new one that just recently put it back. Rear-wheel drive. Starting out at $43,990, and the range for this is 260 miles. Top speed 135, and 0 to 60 is 6.6 seconds. So if you click on the long range, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but the Tesla also dropped prices for the long range as well. It used to be $50,490, and the performance was 54,490. Now it's 52 and 48. So if you don't drive a lot, so you know you could be saving $5,000, because if we click on the long range, you can see that the range is 330, and top speed stay the same, and 0 to 60 is 4.8 seconds instead of 6.6 seconds. And if you're like a sports or enthusiast, or you just like speed, you can go with the performance, and you can see you sacrifice a little bit on the range for the performance, but 0 to 60 instead of 4.8, it's 3.5, super fast. And you can see here the top speed also a lot higher than the other two model. But here today we're going to concentrate on the Model Y. So rear-wheel drive. So as you can see here, we're going to go down 43.99, and then if we click on the paint that is included, that is free now, is the midnight silver. It used to be the white ones, but I guess Tesla has a lot of extra paint for the gray color, I guess, or silver, so now they provided it free. You never know, maybe like 6 months or a year from now they'll make like what, red color as a free color. But right now red still say 2,000, and the black color is 1,500, and the blue is 1,000, and the white is 1,000. For the wheel wise, it's still the same. A 19-inch Gemini. You can always, get a bigger wheel, the induction one, for $2,000 more. And it tells you here that if you were to choose those, the range go even shorter, 242 miles. Okay, so we'll stick back to this color and stick with this one right here. And you can also add a tow hitch, which allows you to tow up to 3,500. And for the interior, you get two options: the black one, which is included, or the white color for $1,000 more. And the seatings only for this one is only $5,000. Okay, and the enhanced autopilot is $6,000, and the full self driving is $12,000. And it says right here, with this you still qualify for the federal 7,500, assuming you meet all the requirement, bringing down the vehicle from about 36,000. And at the same time, you might be able to qualify for the California as well too. And here it states specifically, if anybody that applied after September 6th, they will be putting on a standby list, because their fund might be exhausted by then. But who knows? It doesn't hurt for you to apply. And some people do receive up to $7,500. So you're looking at about $15,000. And assuming that you do meet the terms and the requirements. Okay. And moving on, this one is from Twitter, also known as X now. Sawyer Merritt, he stated here that the government has a new guidance for the 2024. Starting on January here, the U.S. Treasury Department today issued a new guidance on how a 7,500 EV tax credit can be used as a point of sales rebate starting in January. So for those of you who doesn't need a vehicle immediately, you can wait until January 2024, and the tax credit, the 7,500, will be at the point of sales, rather than you have to wait until the end of the next year or something, then file the tax, and assuming that you meet all the requirement, you paid enough taxes, and you have enough tax liability to get that 7,500 back, which is awesome news. Okay, last but not least, we know that Tesla has a lot of superchargers out there. I think about 50,000 already. Then recently, they announced they're going to open up to 12,000 to other auto manufacturers as well. Then we know that Ford, GM, all those were the first one that to partner up with Tesla. And recently, we have Kia and Hyundai and Genesis. They stated that they will be also adapting to the Tesla charger as well. There's about a few more other companies that are still like in between. They're not sure, but I'm pretty sure eventually most of them gonna be joining Tesla as well, because the cost to have your own supercharger or charging stations is highly it's costly. So, but hopefully. The more, this will be better for Tesla, because Tesla is expanding their supercharger like a lot, more and more. You never know, they're expanding every time. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. But other than that, thank you, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.